Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at how to post orders to QuickBooks Desktop using eCC Cloud and the Intuit Sync Manager. Before we get started, the Intuit Sync Manager should already be engaged. If it is not, or if you're unsure how to do this, you can always check out the video using the Intuit Sync Manager to show you how that's done. My Intuit Sync Manager is already running, so I'm going to show you how to get started. eCC Cloud will download your new orders from your online store, and you can view those orders in the Orders tab here. To begin posting to QuickBooks, we need to connect to our QuickBooks Desktop company file, and we can do that by clicking on this here. Sign in using your Intuit ID. Select the QuickBooks Financials company icon. Select your company file and authorize the connection between eCC Cloud and your QuickBooks Desktop company file. Great. Now that eCC Cloud is connected to your QuickBooks Desktop company file, it has downloaded data and preferences. Information used in the QuickBooks Sync settings to post orders to QuickBooks, create customers, and products. Let's configure those settings now. In the Orders screen, we set up the type of transaction, either invoices or sales receipts, to create in QuickBooks. Each transaction type has its own unique settings. In the Customer screen, we tell eCC Cloud how to identify how customers exist in the online store and in QuickBooks. First, we select a matching criteria for how customers are identified in the online store. Then, we select the criteria for how customers are identified in the Customer Center in QuickBooks. If a customer is not found, there are two options. A customer can be created based on the matching criteria, and then settings for a new customer can be selected. Or, a standard customer can be used, and all orders posted to QuickBooks will be placed under it within the Customer Center. I'm going to choose to create a new customer if customers aren't found. And here are my sales terms, and my customer is taxable. In the Products screen, the first area establishes how products are identified in the online store, either by SKU or product name, and within QuickBooks, by item name and number. If a product is not found, eCC Cloud can map that product, and a prompt will be displayed to map a product with an existing product that is in QuickBooks, or flag the entire order as having an error, or use a standard product, then select the product in your QuickBooks company file to be that standard product. Then click Continue. In the Taxes screen, eCC Cloud can either not record taxes or record taxes. If you're going to record taxes, you should already have a tax item for an in-state tax and an out-of-state tax item. You can also record discounts in this area too. Click Save and Exit. Now we're ready to post orders to QuickBooks Desktop. To begin this process, select the orders you'd like to post and click the QuickBooks Sync button. The orders are now placed in the Queued tab. Let's visit this area. The Queued tab is where all orders that have been selected to be posted to QuickBooks remain until the QuickBooks company file data has been manually or automatically synchronized using the Intuit Sync Manager. After that, orders can be posted to QuickBooks and transactions created in the company file. Now that these orders are in the Queued tab, I can open the Intuit Sync Manager in the System tray. Click the Sync Now button. Now that the sync has been completed, we can close this window and switch back into eCC Cloud. and those orders will now be in the Posted tab. The details of your orders will be displayed here. It'll show the type of transaction created and the transaction number created in QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you for watching.